That man, when I told him not to touch me at all, he was touching me. He was grabbing my hand, my jacket, and I told him to stop. He's screaming in my face.
A mentally disturbed woman. On December 23rd, 2021, police responded to a disturbance at Burger King involving an employee. When the police arrived, the manager talked to an employee, saying she wanted to get paid in cash, and we don't do that here.
Let's go. All right, get out of it. Get out of
Is she refusing?
I'm walking, but I don't want that woman to touch me.
Come on. Let's go outside and talk, please.
I'm talking to the police guy.
Alright. What is going on? What happened?
I'm trying to talk to him about money, right? No, get the out.
Hey. Can you stop, please? Just talk to me.
That man, when I told him not to touch me at all, he was touching me. He was grabbing my hand, my jacket, and I told him to stop. He's screaming in my face, telling me I had to perform good and that I was going to get fired on the first day. He wasn't going to pay me, making all these excuses. Yeah, you get a Wisely card, right?
A what?
A Wisely card is a pay card.
Okay.
So I said, I can't activate it. I need help activating it. Please stop getting close to me, woman.
Yep. Here.
Oh.
What do you think you're doing? Hey, look.
Stop resisting.
You're under arrest. Put your hands behind
No,
your
I'm
back.
not.
Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not. Stop. Woman, I hate people like you and your pussy.
Copy at 1748. Do you want to over channel?
Go ahead, shoot me.
Relax.
I dare you.
Relax. Stop.
Copy all units.
What are you saying?
Traffic 17.
Look, I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Stop.
I need help and you can help
stop.
me.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you sit up.
Help me. Fucking stop. No, I'm trying to get away. You're hitting me. You came at me, please.
I just showed up here because my buddies were in.
Yeah, we're gonna investigate and see what happened.
It's too tight still, please.
Which
I'm gonna
one's
fix
too
it.
tight?
I'm gonna fix it.
Just because I'm smart doesn't mean it has to be so tight.
I know. I'm gonna fix it for you, okay? You just gotta cooperate with me and turn your wrist a little bit. Hold on, just keep it like that. Yep. You have really, really small
I know, but it's
wrists.
still too tight. It doesn't matter how small I am. I'm a f***ing dwarf, for God's sake. He was hurting me and threatened me, so I told him to call the cops because I wasn't able to at the time because he's coming at me.
What were you doing down here today?
Trying to get my money situated. He kept screaming at me, threatening me.
Were you supposed to be down here today for this, or did we show
Yes, he said to come back.
Who?
The guy. I was walking away and then he just pulls up.
A guy as an employee here?
Yeah, the guy, Sean, who just left. He was right here in that car, the black car.
Well, I'm going to take it that nobody's gotten your name yet.
Is Sean? Okay.
Sean,
You got an ID on you?
PM.
You got an ID?
Yeah.
Is this your wallet right here?
Yes.
Can I get your ID?
Yes.
Where's it at in here?
Staff, I'm sure we have all right.
Yes.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So what am I getting arrested? Like, what's happening?
Oh,
Yes, you're under arrest.
For what?
resisting arrest.
But she was grabbing me, and I told her to
That
stop.
doesn't change the fact you can't fight with a police officer.
I have to talk to you for a second. Can you stop, please? Look, you're being trespassed from this property. If you come back, you're gonna go to jail, okay? That's all I gotta say.
As for your last paycheck or whatever, you guys are going to sort it out over email, phone?
No, I'm not getting no money. I'm a slave.
I mean, can always
Thank you,
file-
America. I'm a slave. I get no money. I get no food, no water. Thank you for having those
I'm
four
trying to
walls
tell
because of
you.
them women looking at my ass all the time.
This is your stuff?
I'm trying to tell you. You can go and file a suit against them. They're a whole big chain restaurant. If they're going to withhold
I hate her.
wages.
She's a woman. I hate her. She always be
Sorry,
looking at
you-
my ass. Looking in my mouth over and over and over again.
She's not doing nothing.
I don't want to go with her.
Well, you'll be going with us.
Well, here's the deal. You're going with them. I just need to search you for their safety. I need to make sure you have no weapons on you. You cannot pull away from me. You cannot resist. Understood. It's the process.
Can
I
you do
understand.
I
No,
can't.
a female
I'm
has
not
to
allowed
do
by
it.
our policy.
Why?
Because you are still considered a female. On your identification, you are still considered a female legally. So
I know
legally,
this is-
I
So legally,
won.
you put me in solitary confinement for having a name change.
So go ahead and turn around for me. How many shirts do you have on?
Well, I don't know. The reason I said f the money is because my life was at risk.
Okay, well, it's always available to you afterwards. They gave you that phone number for a reason. I'm hoping they're not trying to go and withhold it from you, so it's better to have the money afterwards, right? Even if I'm sure somebody else might be able to
alive
go.
and treated like a human and have money.
Okay.
Well,
I'm
the
sure
manager
somebody
told
else
me
will
that
do it,
you have to get a pay card to get your money. They
Yeah,
don't do
it
paper
wasn't
checks.
working. Please stand away.
Well, they said you have to get another one. Get another one, and then you can get your money.
Yeah, but that's what I was asking it.
No. They gave you phone numbers, and you guys can talk over the phone and hash out terms once you're sorted down.
Okay.
You don't have to do it. Nobody's saying you have
I
to.
don't want that money anymore. It's
Okay.
dirty ass money.
I'm sure they won't cry about keeping that money.
Stop pulling away. Remember what I told you. I have to search you.
That's the rules we got. We got a little bit left to go and sort out here, then we'll be working through this, okay?
She was charged with 2 misdemeanors, including resisting without violence. In the end, a deferred sentence was handed down after the suspect completed a state program.